What if AI agents could help you troubleshoot complex equipment issues in minutes instead of hours? With Cognite Atlas AI, that's not just possible, it's practical. AI agents help end users, solution builders, and data managers automate tasks, make faster decisions, and modernize workflows. Atlas AI is a low-code agent workbench built on AI-ready industrial data to optimize throughput, reduce downtime, and improve efficiency. In this series, we show how agents running on a trusted and secure industrial data foundation automate critical tasks and shorten time to insight. Imagine you're a reliability engineer tasked with detecting early symptoms of failure on a compressor. You need guidance on the best ways to troubleshoot the issue and recommendations for corrective actions or field activities. You open Industrial Canvas, a single digital workspace for data-driven planning, collaboration, troubleshooting, and operational insights. To gather context, you start with the Atlas Data Scout agent and ask it to find your compressor. Next, you ask the agent to add relevant files to your canvas, like PNIDs, operating instructions, and images. The agent searches through thousands of data points and adds the files to your canvas. You also request time series data to better understand compressor performance and check for suspicious activity. The agent adds the time series it found, and you can easily review them and quickly identify abnormalities. To round out the view, you ask the agent to pull in related work orders to help with troubleshooting. Within a few seconds, the agent finds the exact work orders you requested. Now, with all the relevant data around the first stage compressor in one place, you seamlessly switch from the Data Scout to the Troubleshooting agent, keeping your conversation intact. You ask the agent to detect anomalies based on the available data. It provides you with a quick summary of the key findings of the compressor performance and surfaces evidence of a potential excess oil discharge. You ask it to help you troubleshoot. It responds with a step-by-step workflow, referencing operating instructions and highlighting corrective actions, as well as potential causes of the excess oil discharge, instantly bypassing the manual, time-consuming effort of spending hours searching complex documentation and diagnosing the issue. The agent can also generate a cause map that links potential issues with their associated corrective actions, making it easier to systematically troubleshoot the problem. You can clearly see how possible causes connect to one another and to the observed problem. You ask the agent to help troubleshoot further. The agent quickly provides an analysis on the first potential cause and concludes that the oil viscosity in the compressor is higher than recommended and highlights the recommended corrective action. Before you move on, you want to know how the agent reached this conclusion, so you ask it. The agent explains, showing the operating instructions it consulted, the actual compressor data it retrieved, and the comparison it performed, clearly proving the mismatch. It also observes the trend over time and concludes that there has been a steady increase in viscosity over the 2-month period. Plus, it warns you that by the end of January, the compressor will reach levels well above the acceptable operating range. And once again, it restates the cause of the potential failure. With the reasoning validated, you create a work order to have the problem addressed. You review the work order to ensure it contains all necessary information, instructions, and materials, and make sure it's placed on the priority list for resolution. With the support of these two Atlas AI agents, you've accomplished a complex, multi-step process, from detecting anomalies to confirming root causes and issuing corrective actions, with unprecedented speed and confidence. And this isn't just about finding a problem. It's about fundamentally changing how you work, making you a more effective, data-driven expert who drives reliable and efficient operations. To learn how Cognite Atlas AI can transform your operations and to see more AI agents in action, explore our website or contact us for a personalized demo and start your journey toward a more efficient and predictive future today.